Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Master Disaster. So anyways guys, if I was to my video short channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, I'm lagging. I'm lagging a bit, so I can't do everything. I can't even do anything, but anyways. So anyways, I'm not lagging. I'm a bit lagging at least. I'm ready. Oh, hello! Okay, so where should I go next, I guess? Wait, how can I go? Can I go upstairs? Okay. Master Disaster guys. Of the China or Japanese, guys. China or Japanese. No one counts, guys. Yes. Okay. Wait, I need to just go into here.
Go jump.
Where are you? Go jump? Where? Where's the jump? Oh wait, I know how to jump. Where? I know how to jump.
No, don't jump.
I don't know.
Don't jump. There's water.
Yes. Okay, yes.
There's sky.
I am
We're in space. We're in space.
I can't even.
Jump.
Yes. Jump. What? Jump? How? I know how to jump. I don't know.
Jump on the end.
Oh wait, that's where to go. Bye.
You're going to miss the place.
How?
We're going to arch.
Oh wait.
Too late. Why did you even fall off?
No, I accidentally fall. Just a few minutes. How? Where are you?
No.
No. No. I accidentally fall and I just lose it. Oh my god. Here's that. Here's this dude. And there he is. Master Disaster. Oh my god. Let me see on your face. Oh wait, okay, that's good. And his face too. I'm going to catch him. I need a monster. Look at his face. I think he turned into I don't know. Mr. Cole, I don't know. Okay. Mr. Cole. Okay, I need to go to the airport. Come on.
Doesn't work.
Oh my god. Goodbye, monster.
There's a hacker.
Where?
Inside
In island. Where? Where's the island?
in the ocean.
In the ocean? Okay.
You can't see it, but it's right there.
Where?
Since our graphics are low,
Stop
we couldn't see the island, but someone
Yes. I know. I know. I know. I know. How? Bro.
I managed to swim.
Bro. Who?
How did I do that? Wait, because
Bro, how?
probably because my avatar is so fat.
What the hell? What the hell? Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Did it? The thing. I
See it.
fall. No.
Marsha, please.
Where are you?
I got flung.
You got flung? Huh? Flung.
I'm downstairs. Now I'm going upstairs.
Okay.
The girl is flying. The girl
Why?
is flying.
Flung. Flung. Next map. Who? I love kids. I love it. Oh my god. I need to race car. Nah. I don't like it. No, stop it. No, it's dangerous. No.
I want race car.
I need to go
I want
inside. Where should I go inside? Fine.
Get out of the way. I'm going to ride.
I need to go inside.
Motorcycle.
And I'm going to hide. Please, please let me hide. Or I will just you know what, I'm going to remove my recorder. And also, I'm going to just set it there. So the map will go. Please, I'm so fat. I can't.
The dot is here.
Oh my god, the Dutch is here.
The dot is going to ruin everything.
Yes.
They ruin the.
No!
Get out of myself. Get out.
Ah! Why? Where? Where?
Go to the grass.
Grass? Grass?
Find me.
I can. Oh wait, I found you. Oh, there is. Do not. Stay away. No, I'm about to fall. No. Stay away from buildings, right? Come on. I need to win. Please.
Come on, you can. You will die.
No. Do not die or else.
Someone fell.
Yes.
Someone from the island.
Yes.
No, Piatro's dying.
Yes. No. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
After the
Disaster. Yes. Bring us on. Oh. No. Oh, no. I'm about to die.
Help me, my baby.
Ah.
I died.
Yeah, me too. I died too. What's the road?
Wait, I'm going to test this out.
Disaster. What the heck? Wait, what the heck happened?
I'm going to do it to you.
No. No.
Where are you?
Oh.
Oh, that's because I'm sick. That's good.
How dare you?
Someone's spinning.
How dare you? Ah.
They realize it.
W. Okay. W side is
Heart.
heart spot. I need to go for it.
Don't go down. Don't step. Yay, you made it.
Where are you? Okay. Where are you? Oh, there.
Building.
Go to the building. I know. Where's it? Right here? Where? Okay, there. There in the cafeteria.
Yes.
I can't open because it's the lock of door.
Someone's spinning. Don't get near to here.
Don't get near to it. Okay. Or I will just push you. Do not kill me or else if I die, then I go to this it.
No!
No! Bro, stop, please. No. Hey. I'm going to get crying emoji. Hey, how dare you, huh? Hello? You love me. I love you. You love me. Hey, I love you. Look at her. No, I play us. How dare they? Huh? Uy, huh? I'm going to get her. I'm going to ooh. How dare you? Hey, that's my new boy. Hey, what you doing? Hey. Jerky. Hey, you're jerky. How dare you call me a jerky, huh? You love me? I'm going to say again. Enemy. The enemy. Momo Popo. Hey, how dare you? Uh, you, how dare you, huh? Hey, I'm going to cut her. Hey, just do. There you are. I'm going to fix. Okay, fling it, I guess. Okay, next map, I need. Please, I need map, huh? Yes. Okay. Do not fling me around. No. Hey. Where's the... Oh, wait. Can I ride this? Can I ride this? Oh, wait. Let me just ride. Okay. Oh, no, I should just ride. But it's not working, so it's okay. It's okay, I will ignore it. Oh, this one is the Eiffel Tower. It's the Eiffel Tower. I swear. I swear, guys. I need to go to the Eiffel Tower be quick, I guess. Be quick if I just someone else to die. Okay. Oh, please. I want it. Oh, wait. I'm at the tower, right? Come on, I'm at the tower. You just stay. No! No! Hey! Who killed me? Who killed me, huh? How? Ooh. I just realized, but anyways, I don't want to just hack around with the leave. So, anyways, who's that?
Don't get near to him.
Yes. You know what? I'm going to just something. I'm going to leave now, but I think it's gotta be hacking. So, anyways, guys, I'm about to see. Well, the disaster is but anyways, okay. Well, if they just hacker with me, then I'm going to leave and just rejoin. If I if they get strike too, then I will just leave and just rejoin. So, anyways, how can I just chat? Can I chat? How can I chat? No, chat please. How? Because I leave. Because of these annoying people of the player. I don't know. How? I can. So, anyways, I'm going. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Let's just subscribe. So, goodbye, guys.